Good morning, Salem Middle School. This is Miss Ross from H&R Blake. Today we have two gentlemen that are going to help us out doing a seated yoga class. All right, the reason we do yoga is because you stretch and you strengthen many muscle groups all at once. All right, we're going to be holding some poses today for about 45 seconds each. So you're going to be in that position for a little while. And when you're doing yoga, you always want to tighten your core. So your core is your stomach area. And when you tighten that up, you make it feel like there is a string that is pulling your belly button back to your back. So if you had a string through your belly button to your back, you want to think that you're pulling on that string to pull your belly button in. And that's how you should do yoga. You should keep your core tight at all times, because when your core is tight, it helps strengthen a lot of muscles in your body, and that's like your main focus. That is your center. Okay, so we want to keep that core nice and strong because it helps you lift your arms and legs and a lot of muscles in your body. So introduce yourself and then we'll get started.
Hey, my name is Rami. Mr. Oxford class.
Okay, here we go.
Hi, I'm Christian. I'm in Mr. Ox class.
Okay, Mr. Oscar's class. Good job. Okay, so gentlemen, here we go. Again, we're going to hold the poses. Our first pose is called mountain pose. We're going to put our hands together up over our head. Okay, and remember, feel that string pulling your belly button back through your back and keep that core tight. Okay, keep it nice and tight. And hold on there, that's it. I'm gonna hold this pose again, 45 seconds. Keep that core tight. I wanna focus on that. Also make sure you're breathing in and out. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Nice slow breaths. And when you breathe, breathe deep, because it goes all the way down into your lungs. Good, Christian, I see you doing that. Good job. You got that deep breath there, Ramir? Okay. All right, so you're on a little rest, and our next one is called side bends. So again, remember, yoga is all about stretching, okay? Good, so really pull yourself over. Again, keep your core tight. Because you're working that core, even though you might not feel like it. If you keep it tight, feel that string pulling it back through your back, you're working your core at the same time. And that's important. Okay, we're going to go to the other side, all the way over. Nice. Where do you feel that stretching? Where do you feel it? Yep, all up and down your sides. So you have muscles on your sides that are called obliques, and that's what you're stretching. So the next one we're going to do is called a side angle. So one arm is going to be down across your lap, and the other arm is going to reach up, and you're going to look up to that arm or to your hand. Very nice. Good job. Don't forget to keep your core tight. Good job. See, they're still looking up at their hand. Got their arm across their lap. And we're going to the other side. Other side. Let's do the other leg or the other arm, guys. There you go. Reach all the way up and keep your head looking up. Your eyes to your hand. Very nice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. All right, the next one is called child's pose. That's what it looks like. You're going to be reaching all the way down to your toes. Here we go. Good. Where can you feel that stretch? Yep, your back, definitely. One thing I like about yoga is when you do all these stretches, it makes you feel taller because you're stretching all your muscles. Whenever I walk out of a yoga class, I feel like I'm about 2 or 3 inches taller than I really am. Okay, keep holding it. You're doing a good job. How about your neck? You feel it in your neck too? Stretching? Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. This is what we are going to do next. This is called crescent moon. You're going to put your hands together and go to the side. Okay, ready? And there you go, bend. Yep, up all the way up and over. Good. Try and keep them up on the sides of your head, Raimir. Your arms on the side of your head. Put them all the way up. Okay, good. Keep your head in the middle of your arms. Good. Very nice. Watch for him when he switches sides. Okay, to the other side. Feeling this along your side again? Your obliques. It's the muscles on the side of your torso. Don't forget to breathe. In through your nose, out through your mouth. 2, 1, and good job. All right, you're done. You were great. Thank you very much for your help. Okay, good job. Thanks, Christian.